everyone, I'm Megan, and today's video is really dumb, but I wanted to do something because today is my last day of high school, and just school in general, until I go to college, but today is my last day of high school, and it's been such a crazy journey these 4 years, you know? But like this year in particular was just, I felt so overwhelmed by everything, and then suddenly there was just nothing, and I'm like, alright, so I have no life now, I can't go see people, I can't go to school, which was great for the first couple weeks, but then boredom started sinking in, but it's just been weird, you know? Like, to think, still is kind of, but today is my last day. All the teachers are wishing the seniors, hey, good luck. Sorry this wasn't how it was supposed to go. Prom and graduation have been canceled now. So, you know, it's sad boy hours, always. But I hope to still do something a little bit for prom. It's not going to be, you know, super crazy or anything. I do hope that I can plan a little something. But yeah, today's video is kind of dumb. I was hungry, so that's where I started. But on to the video now. Hello and welcome to the Master Chef Kitchen. Today, on episode 2 of Lord of the Knives, we're going to be making grilled cheese. We don't do this. First things first, make sure you have bread. That's a good start. Abuse your bread a little bit. It deserves it. It's bread. It's not even good bread. But it's good enough for what we're going to be using. We're going to need butter. I'm going to heat up the butter because I like it melty so that I can butter the bread better. I don't know how long. Just do a number. I don't know how long that's for. I didn't look. 8 seconds maybe? That actually worked really well. Now, this is fresh butter. Fresh as in it's open, and I just did a do-a-dollop daisy. Butter up your bread to make sure that I don't know why I butter the bread. I just do, and it comes out good. So listen to me. Now, just kind of like, I normally have, Erin's filming. I normally have her butter, which is why this is coming out terribly, because I don't know how to butter right. I like butter. I put a lot of butter on. You don't need that much butter. Just like slap butter on there. Just like, you know? Now, go over to your cooking stove and grab your Green Life ceramic coated pan and turn that up to a nice medium. We want it hot, but we don't want to burn it. You all saw the eggs. Now just kind of like throw shit into the, what do they call it? Sinks. I'll put it in the dishwasher later. Make sure you put away the butter. Melty butter doesn't freeze right. Grab a plate to slap your cheese on. You want to get a good plate for maximum slappage. Ignore the fact that your pan may be too hot at some point. I didn't need to pull out both. Oh, this is good. That sounded awful. Try again. That was how it should have sounded. We'll discard that later. Throw your extra cheese that you pulled out but didn't actually need back into your meat and cheese drawer. If I were smart, I would have bacon or the other piece of pizza in the fridge. But we don't need to worry about that. Is the pan hot? Yes! Yes it is! Why did I do that? Water. Ooh, that sizzle? It's frying time. Now, could I have put everything onto a plate and brought it over? Yeah, well, we're just going to throw it in. I happen to like being constipated, so the more cheese is the better. Here, we'll worry about that later. Now, coming close to this action. This part is where it gets hard, because I have yet to flip a sandwich without having a problem. So, it's good if you have a smaller pan. It's also helpful if you just know how to flip a sandwich. I haven't gotten there yet, so we're just going to let this fry on this side for a little bit. Then we'll flip it. Look at that melting action on top of the sandwich with all that butter. Paula Deen would be proud of me. After all, the more butter makes the dish better. Now I'm gonna... It's ready! Now it's very crucial that you yell, flip it, while flipping it. Flip it! And look at that. Now I like smashing the sandwich down so it melts better. You also should probably turn the heat down now at this point because the pan's hot, but you need to melt the cheese. We want liquid cheese. Not Cheese Whiz, liquid cheese. It's weird having an audience. I just like to continually smash the sandwich because smashed things taste better. Ask a broken cookie. Or broken people. The cannibals knew what they were doing. It smells like toasted bread and not cheese at all. That's okay though. Flip! That side needed more time. Flip! Sorry, the words are flip it. I forgot. I'm going to turn this up a little bit higher because the melty cheese is starting to happen. Just smack the hell out of your bread. Just beat it like Bob Ross beats his brushes. Oh, you hear that sizzle? That means the cheese is leaking. Ooh-wee, I toasted that side. We're going to go ahead and now flip. Flip. Now, it's probably good enough. Now, turn off the heat. Don't burn down the house. Not this episode, at least. We'd like to wait till episode 3. Just kind of plop it on there. I burned something. I don't know what I burned, but I burned something. Now, a crucial part of eating a grilled cheese is the shape in which you eat said grilled cheese. So just happen to grab one of your thickest knives, you know, do a little cut test. Don't do that. I didn't actually, don't do that. Anyway, it has been scientifically proven that triangles taste better. Why? Because the Illuminati said so. So, if you'd like to get in on this nice crusty action, try to line it up. Oh yeah, one swift single motion. That looks like grilled cheese to me. And that is how you make a grilled cheese. That's the end of this. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe. Also, today's my last day of school, of high school, ever. And we're celebrating with delicious grilled cheese. Share this if you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the other side. Perfection. Ooh, look at that. It went back together.